Most people don't struggle with English because they don't know the sentences. They struggle because they don't know which sentences feel safe to say. So today I'm going to give you 5 simple sentences that you can use daily to speak confidently, not perfectly. If English makes you nervous, stay with me. Before you start, understand this. Confidence does not come from big vocabulary. It comes from sentences that your brain feels comfortable using. That's why fluent speakers use simple sentences again and again. These 5 sentences work because they reduce pressure. Number 1, buying time without panic. The first sentence is, let me think for a second. This sentence is powerful because most people panic when they need time. They rush, they fumble, they feel embarrassed. But confident speakers pause on purpose. This sentence tells your brain, I'm allowed to slow down. Use it in meetings, on calls, in conversations. Pausing is not weakness, it's control. Number 2, speaking without being perfect. The second sentence is, I'm not sure, but this sentence removes a lot of pressure. Most people stay silent because they want to be 100% correct. But confident speakers speak even when they are 70% sure. This sentence gives you permission to speak without pretending. You're not weak for saying this. You're honest, and honesty builds confidence. Number 3, keeping it simple. The third sentence is, what I mean is, this sentence is a lifesaver. Sometimes when English comes out wrong, instead of panicking, confident speakers correct themselves calmly. This sentence tells everyone, I'm clarifying, not failing. Fluent speakers do this all the time. Clarity is more important than correctness. Number 4, handling confusion calmly. The fourth sentence is, could you repeat that please? Many people pretend to understand because they feel shy to ask again. That creates more fear later. Confident speakers ask. This sentence shows confidence, not weakness. Understanding is more powerful than guessing. Use it without apology. Number 5, ending with confidence. The fifth sentence is, that's all I wanted to say. This sentence is underrated. Many people keep talking because silence feels awkward. But confident people know when to stop. This sentence lets you end clearly without over-explaining. Strong personality speaks, then rest. Don't memorize all these 5 sentences at once. Pick one sentence per day. Use it deliberately. The goal is not fluency, the goal is comfort. When comfort increases, confidence follows naturally. If English has ever made you small before, remember this. Confidence is built through small wins. These sentences create those wins. You don't need fancy English. You need calm English. Speak simple, pause freely, trust yourself. That's how confidence is built. Subscribe to my channel if you want to speak confidently without feeling judged. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.